Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a really simple, standard, and basic French braid. This is a classic type of hairstyle. It is a great hairstyle to do if you want to have your hair away from your face. This is great to do on your daughters for school. With COVID and with everything happening in the world right now, I'm finding that so many of us are working from home. So many of us are wearing masks all day if you're not working from home and you just want some casual hairstyles that are going to get you through your day. You want to do something on your kids that's going to get them through the school day wearing a mask that's going to be easy and comfortable and out of their way. If you're interested in learning a hairstyle that's going to do all of those things for you, then keep on watching. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to grab a small section to start that braid. Then you're going to take that section and you're going to split it into 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3. Now what you do is you take the side piece and you bring it over the middle. Now you grab that other side piece and bring it over the middle. Now we're gonna start incorporating hair. What I like to do is grab the 2 pieces with one hand, drop the side piece, grab a section that is horizontal, attach it to that side piece and bring it over the middle. Now just smooth that out so it looks nice and smooth. Switch hands so that you're holding the pieces in your other hand. Drop the side piece, incorporate some hair into it, and then bring it over the middle. Switch hands, drop that side piece, incorporate some hair and bring it over the middle. You're going to do this all the way down the head until you run out of hair to incorporate. Once you get to the end and you have no more hair to incorporate, you just do a normal 3 standard braid. And then I like to grab this little stretchy elastic to finish off my braid. And there you go, a really simple, easy way to do a French braid that is gonna have that hair out of your face. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you found this video useful. If you are really into braids and you want to learn another braiding technique, then I suggest you watch this video next. Bye!